Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video, and since it's another crypto cult video, you know what that means. So today we will be discussing a very special airdrop. It's an airdrop from opBNB, and as you can see, CZ is there. So OP is backed by legendary Binance and is powered by the OP ecosystem. It's absolutely free to do. So what are the steps? Before we discuss the steps, here is a quick rundown on what's opBNB. So it's a high performance layer 2 solution designed to scale the BNB smart chain built on Optimism stack. With over 4,000 transactions per second and cheap gas fees as low as $0.005 and under 1 second to finalize a block. So it's very fast and it's very cheap. So how do we do this airdrop? So to get started, we need to go to chainless.org. Let's just click here, and here we need to find the testnet for BNB and add it to our MetaMask. So how do we do it? We go and connect our wallet here. We need to click on add to MetaMask. It will automatically add the network configurations. I already have it, so it's just switching to that. So this is the Binance Smart Chain network. Now we need to go to a faucet and get some BNB tokens for our testnet. So you can join this Discord. Once you join this Discord, let's just click here, agree to the rules, submit it, and here you can find a testnet faucet. You just need to request, and you can request for the tokens here. So here is the manual on how to do it. The /faucet address. So we'll go here, we'll copy the address from our MetaMask, just copy it and write it like this. And here it will automatically send it to your MetaMask. So I already have some BNB here, and as you can see, it sent us even more. So now we can proceed with the next step. We need to bridge TBNB to opBNB. Here TBNB means testnet BNB, and official bridge link is this. Just click on this, select your amount. I will send 0.2 BNB here. I'll need to connect my wallet first. Just connect, next connect, and I will send 0.2 BNB here. Since it's a testnet, so all these BNBs are free. It does not have any value, so no problem. Just click on deposit now. Wait for the confirmation. Click on confirm, and the process has started. Since it's a bridging process, so it might take a little more time than you are expecting. So the deposit is done. If you want, you can also deposit once again just to create more volume, I guess. Now the recommended amount is 0.4 BNB. Now we need to withdraw some opBNB to TBNB2. So we need to just go to withdraw, enter the amount, and we need to withdraw. So let's withdraw 0.2 BNB, switch to opBNB testnet, click on approve, switch network, and click on withdraw. Again, wait for some confirmation and click on confirm. So this is also done, and this completes all our testnet task. Now we can also bridge TBNB using Orbiter Finance. Here is the link, and we can connect our wallet here, switch the network back to the testnet, and here you can select the amount. So I'll send 0.1 and I will receive this much. So click on send, confirm and send, sign the transaction, and that is also done. And you can also do vice versa, that is send from opBSC to BSC. Now we need to bridge NFT using ZK bridge and claim Galax point. So this one has a fee, so 0.3 BNB fees is there. So if you don't want to do it, you can skip it. But for people who want to do it, I'll show you the steps. So once we are here, we'll connect our wallet, click MetaMask, connect, next connect, sign it, and it is connected. Now we need to go to the NFT faucet. Go to the ZK bridge on opBNB. Here we select BNB chain, click on request. Now it will switch our network to the mainnet. So you need to have some BNB in your mainnet wallet also. Just click on confirm. The fees is very low, so I think it's better to do this than take a risk. That should be it. Now we need to switch to BSC network and pay the gas fees. The NFT is here. Click on ZK bridge NFT, select the BNB chain, contact address is here, token ID is there. Let's click on confirm import. Then we click on next, select a network. So for this we need opBNB. Click on next again, approve the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Click on confirm. Step 2 is transfer. Click on confirm once again and wait for the NFT to bridge. Now we click on claim the NFT, switch the network again to opBNB, confirm the transaction, and that should be done. Now we claim the Galax points. So click on task number 1, select the BNB chain, switch the network. Now follow this. Now how to participate? We need to opBNB mint. We have already done the ZK bridge task, so we just need to verify. Now it takes some time to update, so don't worry if it's not showing right now. Just wait for a little bit and then come back later to verify. And the next task is retweeting something. So let's just click on retweet. It will open up a window like this. Just click on retweet here, close it, and now you can verify. So you need to verify after waiting for 10 seconds because Twitter API sucks. So don't forget to click on this task after some times because it is being manually updated, they said. So it will take some time for it to get updated, but we have done the task. Now there is another caveat that BNB chain has announced that there is no airdrop planned for opBNB. But as you guys know that no airdrop planned is the original way of saying it in all the airdrops that come. A lot of projects are shifting to the SUI model where they ask you to pay like $30-40 for buying pre-sale, and that $30-40 turned into $1,800 for SUI. So this might happen. It's free, it's very simple, and it's very quick. So there is no reason to not do this airdrop. And as always, all the links are in the description. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
ये बीट गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट नोक के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बहरा निकटी चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा मौत कमिंग सून तेरे हूबहू रहते मेरे रूबरू छीनू तेरी रूह